Did you know these 10 amazing facts about cockatiel parrots? Watch till end to find out. Fact number 1. Cockatiel parrots are the second most popular pet bird after budgies parrots. Fact number 2. They belong to the parrots family but are closely related to the cockatoos. Facts number 3. The unique crest on their head reflects their mood, raised when curious, flat when relaxed. Fact number 4. Cocktails can mimic sounds, including whistles and household noise. Fact number 5. Their native habitat is the Australian outback, where they thrive in the open woodlands. Fact number 6. They are excellent flyers, capable of covering long distances in search of food. Fact number 7. Cockatiels have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years with proper care, but some live up to 20. Fact number 8. They can recognize and bond closely with their owners, making them affectionate pets. Fact number 9. Cockatiels enjoy a diet of seeds, pellets, and fresh fruits like apples and banana. Fact number 10. Male cockatiels are better at mimicking speech, while females tend to be quieter. If you are fascinated with cockatiel parrots, like this video and subscribe this channel. Goodbye.